I like this.
I don't like something which is jarring or something which is very efforted. The least amount of effort that you put in your look every day, I think it's comfortable, it's natural, it's organic. It looks nice because it's you and you've chosen something without making so much, maybe a name or maybe some shiny shoes. So I don't like that. That's my personal choice. So I like to keep it simple and very organic.
Every photographer is a director because he's the only person in a position to actually see what the eventual outcome of the picture is going to be like. When a photographer actually decides for a frame, whether it comes to light, whether it comes to colors, textures, sense of style, even something as basic as aesthetics of the final composition, I think he's the one who puts all these elements together, to make a great picture. With the color blocking that we're working with, I think even the new range of the entire eyewear that they have has a lot of color blocking in it. It's far more younger, it's more youthful. The celebrities who are endorsing are so today. That's why we chose fresher colors, and it's all coming together really well. And I think that was what probably this campaign needed.
I think आज के दिन में especially in a city like Bombay इतनी धूप है और इंडिया में we get Bombay में especially you can't escape the sun. So eyewear is very important I think for all of us. When we're traveling, जब shoot पे जा रहे हैं हमेशा गाड़ी में the first thing you look for, especially early morning shoots where you don't want to open your eyes, you've not slept. The best thing is to hide for the actors to hide their eyes and eye bags is eyewear. Coming out of the airport, I think 99% of every actor, चाहे दिन हो या रात, तो eyewear बहुत ज़रूरी है because we're 99% tired or have some kind of weird eye look. So it saves us. So all thanks to eyewear. इसके साथ एक अच्छी कूल बाइक हो और पीछे एक अच्छी सी लड़की हो और क्या चाहिए. Geeky come cool. It's also good for school I think. शरीफ लग रहा हूँ उसमें. ये जो आपको लड़की के पेरेंट्स को मिलने जाना हो तो उनको बेवकूफ़ बनाने के लिए. Looks sporty enough. Very cool, huh? See. So this is when I'm going for an interview for a job thing. Hopefully they'll take me seriously. And funky thing in the sun, it's totally beachy. He's not going with a jacket at all. So I think if you're in a party with a lot of colors and good music, you can pull anything off. Yeah, but cool retro villain. आम जनता रिएक्शन हैज बीन वेरी गुड सो फार. थोड़ी एक किस्म की अजीब किस्म के लोग मतलब देखते हैं कि नोटिस अब तो ज़्यादा करते हैं आई थिंक. तो अलग लगता है कि अरे नाउ यू कांट जस्ट स्लिप इन टू लाइक एनी कॉफी शॉप और एनी बार एट टाइम्स विदाउट गेटिंग नोटिस्ड. बट इट्स गुड ऑल्सो वी गेट की पिक्चर खींचना है तो ऑफकोर्स आई थिंक वीर ऑल एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू जॉइन दिस इंडस्ट्री टू गेट रिकग्नाइज फर्स्ट. एंड एट sometimes it becomes a bit uncomfortable because you can't always give a picture once in a rush, and I hope people get that. All people line up at your house to click a picture and to give you cards and gifts, and it's quite sweet. But at times you feel restricted to get out and say stupid things or you can't dig your nose in public anymore. So yeah, I think there's small little things like that. But I think so far we're good. I think all of us in the younger lot, we get out and socialize. We whatever time we get. Bombay is comparatively easier. If you get outside Bombay, it becomes a bit tough. Everybody starts watching you what you're up to. Yeah, I think it's very important to have an ID. Everybody is different. Everybody is not the same, and it's your own personality that you have to embrace eventually. So similarly, I think I have an ID which is unique to me, which is slightly simpler, slightly understated at times. So and yeah, similarly, I think the same thing we tried with making at least choosing my films. Recently, as I said, we just came up with the first look of Villain, which is changing my ID from that typical sweet boy which I did in Hasi To Pasi or Student of the Year. I think people start typecasting you very soon. So that's the Villain is trying to change my ID in the film industry, and hopefully in 2 months it'll be successful, and let's see, we'll keep changing it from there onwards.
Specialities, there's something new every time. There is a new definition of the eyewear. This time we've come out with the light series, which is like a very light shade over there. Every time we come up, we try to make something new and make the collection very lively for the youth.
I think इस साल ID eyewear के ऑप्शंस बहुत बढ़ गए हैं. आई थिंक काफ़ी अलग अलग किस्म के मैंने स्टाइल्स आज फोटोशूट में यूज़ किए हैं. ये जो मैं अभी पहन रहा हूँ भी काफ़ी आई लाइक स्लाइटली क्लियर ग्लास, सो आई कैन मेक आई कॉन्टैक्ट. पहली बार मैंने क्लियर ग्लास में एक शूट किया जो मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत स्कूल बॉयज टाइप लगता था, बट दे मेड इट लुक कूल. सो या, आई थिंक अ वेरी गुड फोटोशूट दिस टाइम, लॉट ऑफ अदर ऑप्शंस.